say there's a couple of big challenges that legal teams, especially in Asia, have. Quite often, headquarters for legal teams are not based in Asia, either Hong Kong or Singapore. So they're having some decisions made around technology which are being pushed down to them and not necessarily having as much say or input as they would like on what technology solutions are going to be fit for purpose. And in Asia, there can be some really unique situations that don't necessarily fit into a bespoke, or not even a bespoke, but an off-the-shelf solution. So that's one challenge. I think separately, technology implementation is seen as costly and time-consuming. So people might start on the road of assessing a tech solution, going through procurement, mapping it out, implementing it, and that can take a number of years to actually get in place. And then you've got to educate people to use the technology that's in place. So that can sometimes be a real hindrance to people sort of getting on board, especially as technology continues to change and develop. If people aren't quite sure that one solution is the right thing, they don't necessarily want to commit to it as yet. Some of the ways to get around this that we're seeing is, well, first and foremost, legal teams really need to understand why are they looking at legal technology. What are the problems? What are the gaps, the pinch points that they're facing? And sometimes that might mean getting in consulting or advisory services to help do an in-depth analysis and to be able to provide some guidance on the next steps. And it's not always about technology, it might be about process improvement. The other side of that is it may not necessarily be about going out to a tech platform, but engaging with your internal IT teams can actually be a quick win. It's cost effective. There may already be solutions that are ready to implement or to tweak to be able to fit the needs of the legal team. So quite often there are already internal ways of developing tech solutions without necessarily going out to a third-party provider. So there's a couple of different ways that legal teams can look at to find solutions to fit their needs.